Hi, Tony Guthrie here with Clean Easy Carpet and Floor Cleaning. I want to let you in on a professional insider secret when it comes to removing pet urine stains from your carpet. Now, this is an industry secret that no one is willing to share with you. You know, when you go to the pet supply store and you see those products called Miracle or whatever, these urine removers, there's an active ingredient in all of them that they put in there. Then they add some deodorizer and a little cleaning substance and things like that. But the active ingredient is nothing more than what you find in this product right here. I don't know how well you can see that. Salon Care 20, Volume 20, Clear. You get this at Sally Beauty Supply. This is a full gallon. This will last you 17 lifetimes. This costs about maybe $12 for the whole gallon. You can get it in smaller bottles for like $6 or $7. And what you do is instead of buying those miracle products that cost 3 times what this cost, you just simply take this, put about a few ounces in a spray bottle, fill it up with a cup of water. Make sure that you wear protective gloves, rubber, latex, something like that. And all you do is when you have the stain there, you do this when it's dry, by the way. You simply spray it on there and leave it alone. You just spritz it on the spot and leave it alone. You don't have to towel it up or anything. Just spritz it on there and you'll notice that it'll start going away. Now, in a few minutes, 15, 20 minutes, you might want to take a towel and dab up the heavy and then give it a day or so. And if the stain is still there, it'll be lighter, but then you can just spritz it on again. And again, no rubbing, no scrubbing, just spritz it on. And it'll typically take that urine, that yellow or that coloring out of there in an application or two. Now, if you can't get it out yourself with that, give me a call at 256-886-9100 or text that same number, 256-886-9100 right here. And I'll come out and take care of it for you. And if I can't get it out, well, then we won't charge you for it. Have a great day.